Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily job sharing series. Basically, we go create some sort of videos and share you a couple of job links, right? So we'll be starting with a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? So this is a disclaimer. Just read it out once. I highly recommend you. Now let's get started with the first opening. So this is for the VAPT specialist, right? So someone is looking for a skilled VAPT, a person 4+ years of experience required. It's Mumbai based role, contract based role. The other requirements, so you can pause this video and check out once again. Contact@topskill.com is the mail on which you drop your resume, right? Next opening is as IT security, 35K they are going to pay you, work from home, laptop provided, and PASIC, I don't know where it is, but you can check it out. 1+ years of experience required, and company name is Nityo, right? This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next opening is basically someone is looking for SOC Analyst. You can see all those thing requirement. This company is looking from a very long time, so probably you'll get a response, right? So you can send your resume here. It's a Dubai-based company, and CCNA CEH is the certifications which is required for getting this job. That will be a plus point. Next opening is basically in InfoLexus. They are in for cybersecurity analyst. This is the mail ID. In case if you're not getting response, you can call this number. So whenever you will be having a number, it's a plus point for you so that you can call and ask like if I'm get selected or not. So it will create an additional pressure, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship, you can check out this URL and you will get 100% chance here, right? The next opening is cybersecurity engineer for the client in Singapore. And guys, you can read it out. There's a lot of requirement is there, and this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now the next opening is basically remote, 8+ years of experience required, GCP data engineer, remote based role, and the other key responsibilities and the other required skills, and this mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next opening is basically again for the SOC analyst. You can be a part of SOC Byte. SOCbyte.ai is the mail ID on which you can send your resume, right? Next opening is hiring alert at QSAP Infotech Private Limited. It's a Navi Mumbai, 2+ years of experience required, and the other requirements, right? You can see here a couple of things also mentioned here. QSAP sonal.singh@qsap.com, right? And yeah, that's what we have. You can check out Cyber Coffee's YouTube channel. This is very active, and where I answer your questions, right? If you have any questions, you'll get a link on this channel. Watch the latest video, and you can drop your questions, right? And I'll answer your questions in Hindi, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship, check out this URLs, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.